So we were discussing REST architecture. Now we will discuss, we will have a hands-on, and we will discuss how the REST API or RESTful web services actually work, right? So we have already discussed the pet store RESTful API, and we have imported that in our API client also. So we will be using the same API to understand the concept on REST. So we will be discussing different methods which we have discussed: get, update, put, and delete, right? So let's start with the add pet. So we will be adding a pet in the pet store, right? So let's go to the Swagger. So we have here the add pet. So this is a post method. So we will be using, so this is used to create a resource, right? So let's start with, right? So we have the post method, we have this resource also. So we just need to provide the body here. So let's keep this id as 3. So this is the id for using which our pet will be identified, and let's name it as Tiger, right? So let's do, what's the response? So see, so pet is created with id 3 and name is Tiger. Now I need to check if that pet is created or not in the database, right? Through API. So now we will discuss the next one, that is get pet by id. So let's open this. So now we want to get the pet by id. So what we will do is, so what was the pet id? That was 3, right? So let's check this one also. Yeah, so this was created in the database. So id we have got 3, and this is the pet name, Tiger, right? So suppose let's try some other value also, just to check if it's working or not. Yeah, so this is the expected response because that pet is not there in the database. So the next one which we will do is we will update the pet. So now what we will do is, what we will try to update the pet which we have created. So let's go to the update pet and open the request, and let's check here. So for pet, so this is a put operation to update the pet. So this is the body which we need to send in the request. So let's update it here, make it is HTTPS. So now what I will do is I will update this pet with id 3 and change the name to Lebra. Let's see if it works. Yeah, that works. So if you can see, now the name is changed to Lebra. Let's confirm this again by using the get by id which we have already used, right? Let's make it 3 and test this. Yeah, that works, right? So that's how the APIs work. So I think so you are now clear about the REST API and the methods that are involved. Thank you guys. Let's meet you in the next session.